Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Explore and More with Nikita Menon. My today's video is on a handmade wall art which I made using waste cardboard. So for this, I have cut the cardboard sheet into different sized strips as you can see in the video. So these can be of random lengths. Basically what I will be doing is making boxes out of these by folding these across and sticking them using any adhesive or Fevicol. So as you can see, these are the boxes. These are of different sizes. It need not be uniform. You can also make uniform boxes as well, taking appropriate measurements, but I didn't want to do that. I wanted to make something random. I've kept some extra strips just in case if I need more boxes, or for any support, or to stick it to the base or something of that sort. All the boxes are ready. Let's begin. So I'm coloring this with black color. You can go for any color that you like. I personally like black, so I've chosen that. You will have to at least paint the whole thing twice or thrice so that the color stays on the cardboard. So I've stuck 3 pieces together. You can randomly make any design. So I'm just trying to stick and see how it looks. So guys, that's the basic concept, right? When you're trying to do something which is more of an art, you need not follow any particular procedure as such, because it becomes too stressful to follow. For me, it's like, if I see something random, I just start working on it. As and when gradually I like doing it, I will keep thinking of some of the other ideas, and that's how I keep myself occupied. So the reason why I make these videos is to make you guys understand that to be an artist, you need not be someone with proper flair, yes, but you need a creative bent. Only then will you enjoy. Otherwise, this just looks like an art and craft what children do in their schools, right? And also, these small things can make your house look beautiful because it has a personalized, customized touch to it. Rather than buying something from outside, you can may as well do something at home. So the sticking takes a lot of time. You might take even 2 to 3 days to keep sticking all of these one by one in a row, because if you stick all of it together, there is a possibility that it might not stay. So may as well go one row each a day, give it some time to settle overnight, and then do the next batch the next day. So this is not that easy as it looks. It takes time. You need a lot of patience to do this. So guys, that's how it looks. Now I'll be putting double tapes behind, because my intention right now is to stick it to the wall. I'm not drilling any nails because unnecessarily you spoil the wall. Yes, if you are planning to keep some of the other wall arts when you replace this in future, yes, I think drilling is a better option. So now as you can see, I have put small, I won't say souvenirs, but yeah, random toys or smiley balls or whatever I like. You can put anything. You can even put small photos of yourself with your family members, your friends. You can make whatever you like. I hope you guys liked it. Please do keep trying something like this. It's really fun and it really keeps you busy and encouraged. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel, and keep supporting. It really encourages me a lot. Bye bye. Have a lovely time. Stay safe and take care. Ciao.